welcome to my channel. Today we have a really big unboxing. And today we'll be unboxing the Ender 3 Pro as well as the filaments for it. So I just got this on Amazon. I'm really excited because I've wanted this for a while now. Okay, so I just got some gray filament because that's one of the more basic ones. So that's what it looks like. So I got the most basic kind of filament. I think it's like 1.75 PLA. And it's gray, and you just feed this through the printer and you can print stuff. You want to get a more basic colors if it's the first time you're using the printer because it melts better for some reason. So I just got gray. Okay, so now the actual unboxing of the Ender 3 Pro. You could also just get the Ender 3, which is like around 50 bucks difference. I just got the Pro because it has a better base stability, I think. Wow. Okay, so after unboxing, these are all the parts, and that's the printer, and as well as there's also a sheet from Creality as well as instructions and a manual in the back. So now we can just put them together. So this printer was around $350, and then it comes with like all the parts, and they also come with a little bit of filament, like the white one. But also I just got like more filament because that would not be enough. This is also my first time ever owning a 3D printer, so let's build it together. So I'm just going to try to look at the instructions. They seem pretty straightforward with pictures, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's done. The instructions were fairly simple to follow, and even I, who am a beginner, am able to somewhat, it looks right, finish it up. So here's the final Ender 3 Pro. So yeah, so we're gonna do some testing later, and I'll make another video about that. Thanks guys!